Don't download Headspace meditation app before watching this. Before you download Headspace, here's what most users misunderstand. It's not just a meditation app. It offers guided sessions, sleep exercises and stress management tools, but without routine. It won't reduce anxiety or improve focus. Step 1. Set your meditation goals. Are you aiming for stress reduction, better sleep or increased focus? Most people get this wrong by meditating sporadically, which limits results. Step 2. Start small. Use short sessions to build consistency. The surprising truth is, even 5 minutes daily can improve mindfulness over time. Step 3. Explore sleep and stress exercises. Headspace offers guided sleep sounds, breathing exercises and body scans. Ignoring these features leaves potential benefits untapped. Step 4. Track progress and habits. Note streaks and changes in mood or focus. Users who skip tracking often underestimate improvements. Step 5. Integrate into daily routines. Combine meditation with morning routines, breaks, or evening wind downs. Consistency is key to long-term benefits. The upside: regular Headspace practice reduces stress, improves focus, and supports better sleep. Studies show consistent users report lower anxiety and improved productivity. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you commit to small, consistent sessions, explore all features, track progress, and integrate it into daily life. Sporadic use will give minimal results. Subscribe for guidance on making meditation apps work for your mind and body.